Hi, today's topic is factory in a box. The word factory gives an image of huge infrastructure, fleet of workers and technicians involved on the job, where the raw material is brought from far situated sources and the factory produced product is transported to the consumer's market of demand. The traditional factories comprise of enormous manufacturing units spread across large landscapes. They operate at one fixed location, and the raw materials and output needs to be transported to and from the facilities. This transportation is cost intensive as factories are typically located far from both the raw material sources and the target markets, and huge infrastructure is fixed and their relocation is not feasible. So any kind of innovation in the dynamics of the supply chain management is restricted. Hence, the traditional manufacturers are under market pressure to work faster and be more flexible. Consequently, the supply chains face challenges like investment on transportation, catering high demand, shortage of capital and labor. Such traditional manufacturing revolving around the factory-based centralized production will not be able to address such challenges to keep up with the demand in future. How if we make our factories portable? Instead of a fleet of workers manually operating machines, it is managed remotely. We have modular manufacturing system for quality control over the processes of machines or product to improve safety. In the era of smart world, everything is becoming smaller, faster, precise and efficient. And manufacturing cannot be left behind. Here evolves the idea of factory in a box. Let's start by imagining a box assembled with automated manufacturing unit that can be relocated. Typically, a system to serve three key purposes. Portability means factory can be transported or relocated. Flexibility in designing the product and agility for efficient and precise manufacturing. These issues are paving the way for revolutionary concept of factory in a box or FIAB. FIAB can be defined as a compact manufacturing system that can be rapidly deployed, remotely managed, and modulated as per consumers' requirement. It can be packed in a container and transported to any other location. The computerized smart system components are detachable and be programmed to change the specific design and achieve accuracy of higher order. They are the portable manufacturing sites in the form of retrofitted shipping containers with advanced automated assembly equipments. The factory in a box can be packed, transported, and brought into service at a new location within a matter of hours. These containers can be used in any location necessary, allowing manufacturers to assemble products on site instead of needing to transport the products to longer distances. The FIAB concept has been extensively researched over the past 2 decades. Sweden was probably the first country to take this initiative with the objective of scaling up industrial production in compact spaces. Nokia is also providing factory in a box, which turns cargo container into mini manufacturing sites, replete with high-speed Internet of Things connectivity, robotic assembly, and other industrial technologies. We can conclude that factory in a box are the system with assembly of robots, IoT sensors, and other automated machinery. At one end, we supply the materials necessary to complete the product. At the other end, the product roles of the assembly lane. The only intervention needed for this device is routine maintenance of the equipments inside. This will encourage localized manufacturing, which could be a potential future of the factories.